Monday, October 19th. The slide that didn't stop. Stock markets around the world go into a tailspin.
It's Black Monday. There's never been a day like this one on the stock market. Panic selling has shattered records.
Fear, pandemonium, and incredible force wreaking havoc in financial markets throughout the world.
It's bad, bad.
One word, plummet.
Panic selling.
Panic selling, that's all it is.
Crazy in there. It's really busy, really hectic.
Jeffrey, not a good day.
By the closing bell on the New York Stock Exchange, the Dow Jones Industrial Average had plunged a record 508 points for a one-day loss of 22.6%, far surpassing the 12.8% drop on October 28, 1929, the day some say heralded in the Great Depression.
The Great Crash in 1929. The day the market fell, the stocks plummeted in value, paper fortunes wiped out, and much of the world left with a headache that lasted for a full decade.
What was it like? You were there 40 years ago. Well, it was bedlam and madness and fright and terror, and in some cases people committing suicide who had several $1 million at one moment, and then within a week they had nothing.
Could it ever happen again?
I suppose everything can happen again.
Stock markets around the world went on a wild ride today.
190 points in the morning, then down again, then up again, finally closing up by 102 points. A record one-day gain, which nevertheless recouped only a fifth of yesterday's big losses.
They're all coming back now. Even the dogs have a new day.
The economic fundamentals in this country remain sound, and our citizens should not panic.
Governments today acted swiftly and decisively. They lowered interest rates and they pumped billions of dollars into the financial system. Moves designed to end the fear that the stock market crash will precipitate an economic recession.
It's just a crazy market. You can be dead in 20 minutes.
We're looking for some more sizable swings, sometimes up, sometimes down for the next few weeks, before it's really clear what the trend will be.
Another volatile day on financial markets throughout the world. Prices started plunging in London. Panic quickly spread as Wall Street opened for business. And it put all other North American stock exchanges into another nosedive.
Glad when the weekend's here. One more day to go, thank God. Lose my voice as it is. I know that. Oh, wait a minute. Yes.
In the U.S. alone, $600 billion were wiped off the value of stocks in a single week. Investors could only watch in helpless fascination.
Even if you lost tens of thousands of dollars, you know, you could find something, yeah, it was fascinating. The way sometimes a bloodbath is fascinating.